Hi everyone, I'm Ojasvi and welcome back to my channel Shop, Eat, Travel, Repeat. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying this monsoon weather because it's like so romantic and everyone loves the rains. It makes everything very soothing, calming, everything around is greener. But that's not it. Monsoons also bring a lot of other things apart from all these good things. And I'm talking about my skin problems because whenever monsoons are here, my skin starts breaking out, it starts behaving weirdly. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry, and this really irritates me. And I was trying to find a perfect skincare solution for all of these problems that I have. So let me introduce you to every skin's BFF, which is Plum's Rice Water and Niacinamide Serum, which comes in this kind of a box packaging, and this is how it is. It comes in this kind of a glass bottle which is 30 ml in quantity and it contains 10% of niacinamide in it. And if we talk about the texture, it is very thick and gel based texture of a serum. And this has helped me to tackle through all these skin problems that I am going through in this season. Again, the combination of rice water along with niacinamide is very unique and is beneficial for all skin types, and it's suitable for all skin types. So like if you have a dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, this is the perfect product that you have to go for, because this is a product which will help you tackle all your skin problems without adding too many products in your skincare routine. If you guys are not aware of Plum, which is like quite not possible, but still let me give you an introduction about. It's a 100% vegan brand which is like cruelty free and PETA approved. Then they are not using any toxic chemicals in their products, which is again a good point. And they have like a huge range of skincare products which you should definitely check out and try out. Also, if you want to see the review for some other products from the same brand, I had created a video earlier. I've given the link in the description box as well as here on the screen. You can check it out and see for yourself what amazing range they have. Now let's talk about the three main ingredients in the serum, which is niacinamide, then comes the rice ferment extract, and lastly there is choline. What is niacinamide? It's a water-soluble form of vitamin B3, which is like really good if you want to soothe your acne or treat your dark spots. Along with that, it will regulate your sebum production, increasing the resiliency of your outer skin area. So these are like really good if you want to treat your skin problems. And guess what? This serum contains 10% of niacinamide, which is really amazing. Next comes the rice ferment extract, which is a really good source of amino acid. Now what they have done, they have sourced it from Japan and used a special Japanese technique to extract this rice ferment, which actually makes it rich in amino acids. I mean, this is like a great effort by a brand. Now this is again a major ingredient that this serum has, which helps you reduce your fine lines, wrinkles. Also it helps with minimizing the open pores that you have, which is again a problem that I face. Usually my pores are big and it helps you reduce that enlarged pores. It also protects you from the sun damage and the redness that is caused due to that. So it soothes that, protects you from the sun damage. Also it helps you reduce the blemishes that you have in your skin and makes your skin clearer, smoother and nicer. Now the last ingredient that I'm going to talk about is choline, which is derived from olives, and it is very rich in antioxidants, and this helps you reduce the signs of aging and it helps to moisturize and hydrate your skin. So all in all these ingredients blended together act as a perfect solution for my skin, and I think it is a perfect solution for every skin type because these ingredients are like they will tackle all the skin problems at once. Now that I've told you all the ingredients and their benefits, so let me summarize what all benefits you will get after using this serum for like 4 to 6 weeks, because that's the minimum time you need to use it to see a better result out of it. And this is what you will see. You will see that your blemishes and dark spots, they have reduced significantly. Your sebum production is also regulated. Then your acne and acne spots, they have also soothed out and they have also reduced. It will minimize the appearance of your pores. It will protect you from the sun damage, which will significantly repair your skin and soothe your skin, which you can see after using. And one more thing that I liked about the brand was that they conducted a consumer survey before launching this product, and the people who used this serum for around 4 weeks shared their results with us, and the results were something like this. 83% of the people found that the blemishes have reduced, and 3 out of 4 people found their skin was clearer, and then the 88% of the people found that there is an improvement in the skin tone as well. So this is really amazing. That's why I love this brand and that's why I go for their products. I myself also have been trying this serum for quite some days now, and I can also see that my skin texture is improving. The pores, the open pores that I have, that is the main issue, they have also significantly reduced. I can see that the blemishes and the spots that I have, they have also started reducing. So again, amazing results using this serum, and you can introduce it in your daytime or nighttime routine as it suits you. Just use it before the moisturizer or the sunscreen that you're going to apply. Plus it is suitable for all skin types that I have been targeting again and again, because usually there are very less serums which are suitable for all skin types, and this is one of them. That's why I love it. And how you have to use it is that you just need to take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and then gently pat it on your skin, on your face, and that's it. Just let it absorb completely in your skin and then top it up with a sunscreen or a moisturizer and you're done for it. Now, due to all these benefits that this product has, it has become my absolute favorite product and I am completely in love with this. And I would request you to try it yourself and see for yourself how effective it is. And I've got a great offer for you. You can get extra 10% off using the code NC10 on the Plum's website, and already I think there's a 10% off going on and you'll get 10% off on top of it, which is like amazing offer, and that is exclusively for my subscribers. So go and order your serum right. And guess what? If you order this product, you are not only getting 10% discount, you are going to get a lot of Plum Goodness benefits that are like cashbacks, discount codes and reward points, along with the early access to exclusive launch of the products. Isn't it amazing? That's all about today's video and the Plum Niacinamide Serum. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you have, just leave a thumbs up. Also, if you're visiting my page for the first time and seeing this review for the first time, go subscribe to my channel because I keep on posting a lot of product reviews along with travel, fashion related videos. Plus, hit the bell icon for sure, because in that way you won't be missing any update from my side. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care. Ta-da.